It looks like a lobster. Like, bro, that's not normal. And look at that, it's a freaking dragonfly on my antenna. All right, I can't get. Is this my car? Yeah, I can't get over to the driver's seat with that thing right there. Looks like I'm already a pilot. Nature's attacking. Get off of there. I don't like you. I'm climbing over. There we go.
Really? That bug wasn't even that big.
Oh my god, it's a serious issue. Oh. I won't take more of this. Oh god, I'm too fat for this.
You dropped your phone.
You dropped your phone. Alright, I'm in. I'm not coming out. And the doors are saying.
What if you have to get up when your mom comes?
I'm driving. I don't care.
You're driving?